what happens during a thunderstorm. Well, I'll tell you what happens. There's a bunch of lightning and thunder and all that kinds of good stuff. And I don't know if you can see it yet well, because I'm using the canon this time, and oh, I saw that. I just saw that. Yep, so did I. Get out of here, Mario. You don't have to tell me what to do. Jeez, Mario, I just want you out of the way, okay? Hey, wait, okay. Oh, okay. Don't make a joke out of it. I'll do whatever I want. You hear me? Look, we're just watching a thunderstorm right now, and well, not really a thunderstorm. We heard the lightning and thunder. There's also like people having a party somewhere in the street. We're also somewhere else. We're at a different house. We're not at our house, but I'm not telling you which house it is because I don't want to reveal anything. But yeah, so far it's not that. There hasn't been that much happening. What do you mean, dude? What about that party? Well, yeah, that. But oh, well, that was big. Yeah, no delay. Oh, don't be a smart ass, Mario. You what? Ow. Yeah, he was gonna be a smart ass. Oh, yo, take that. Are you just gonna start a fight right now? Are you just gonna start a fight? What do you want? No, I'm not. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. But you just don't throw me, all right? And also, sorry, the picture looks really dark. I'm filming with my Canon, and because my Sony, you see, funny story is, I lost the battery charger. And my battery on my Sony is dead, and I lost the charger to it, which I had my other battery on it, which is charged up while I was on my trip to Florida. I don't know if I lost it in there. It could be in my house somewhere, or it could be at the other hotel that we stayed in North Carolina at Holiday Inn. I'm not gonna tell you where, but well, I mean Holiday Inn, but like it was in a township. But I'm not telling you that. But that was we're gonna see if we can find some lightning strikes. I don't see anything happening. Just be patient, alright? Oh yeah, you're the one to talk about being patient. Look, Mario, just film this guy, okay? No one wants to see your stupid ass face. Oh, really? Well, I was popular, alright? More popular than you were. My channel has about 3 million subscribers right now, alright? Your channel, Super Mario Logan, only has 1 million. So, it's still popular. Yeah, but not as popular as mine, alright? You hear me? Not as popular as mine! So insultive. I'll show you insultive. I just wanted to get this, alright? Oh, I think it's starting to rain. I like having a party over here or something. I don't know if you can hear it, which you probably can, but yeah, they're like having a party over there. Where's some lightning, alright? I saw plenty of lightning before, and now I don't see any. Well, it doesn't just happen in a matter of minutes. Should. Oh, did you catch that? I don't know. It went really quick. Well, that took a while. Alright, where the hell is the damn storm at? Be patient, alright? Now, man, just boom. Oh, so you told me to be patient, but yet you're not being patient. Look, don't go there, alright? Whatever, alright. Oh. Darn it. Missed it. Where's the damn thunder? Oh, we should just wait. Jeez, man, you tell me to be patient. Well, yeah, well, I'm different, alright? I'm old. I've been through a lot. You've been through a lot. Yeah. Yeah, I've been through a goddamn lot, alright? Oh, yeah, you think I have it? No. Not as much as I did. Why is putting the camera down? What's seriously, I haven't been through a lot? No. No, I don't think you have. I don't think you goddamn have. What? Why are you holding on to me? Because I feel like I should. Well, get off. Ah. It's weird. I'll show you. Nah, man. Hell with you. Hell with you. Alright? I'm not, you know what? I'm not holding on to you. I didn't want you to hold on to me in the first place. I was doing it to be nice. Well, it's weird, alright? I think it's weird. Screw you. I know. Okay, you know what? Just stop, alright? Just stop. Alright, no. Don't do that crap again, you hear me? Don't try to be tough with me. Can you get it off of me? You know what? Fine then. Stay behind that damn camera, alright? And you're building the damn storm, you hear me? You understand me? Damn, understand me! You don't have to yell and scream and yell. Okay, hey, go, give it up. See this guy's being an idiot. No, you're the one being an idiot right now. No, give it back here. Yeah. What's this damn thing? Come on, you know how to work a camera, alright? Oh, so you say I'm stupid. I'm not saying you're stupid, alright? I have never doubted you. Get out of my face, man. Uh-oh. Who's that? I have no damn idea. But I probably don't want to know either. Alright, just give me the damn. Hey! Give me that damn camera back. Oh, so now you're gonna steal the camera from me? I have not stolen it from you. You stole it from me. Oh, I stole it from you. Yeah, you stole it from me. All right. You know what? Film the storm. All right. You hear me? Film the storm. You know what? I am gonna film the storm instead of your dumbass. Oh yeah, my dumbass. Yeah, yours. All right. God. Oh, all right. Keep it down. All right. Yeah, keep it down, man. You're the one that's making noise too. All right. So, shut up. You shut up. Look, so stop, alright? Come on, this thing only has like a 10-minute limit. Really, just a little bit.